What kind of fish are those? I don't know. They just fish. And they like to live and play in the rocks. Say, can you zoom in more? See that?
She said it doesn't have a whole lot of meat on it though.
She said it is a mullet.
Yeah, that looks like mullet.
Man, I don't see no shag on the back of their head.
Nah, you're funny. They are the shag. That's what the shag look like. They look like mullet, but then they look like baby snook as well. So. Oh, look at that dove. Or kingfisher. It was a manatee looked like just popped his head up over there. We were trying to see it.
Ugly stick.
Like
we are now.
We was going to Rodney's
Solo and all.
yeah, his thing. You was running, girl. You were gone. You know. She walking fast. She then came up to us and took off on us. Oh no, bro. No. We'll remember that. Hold on, you was behind me in the mall the other day. Stop it. Hey, who wanted to be the... What you said, Isaiah? Hey, who want to be the dummy to touch this?
No, I touched the one at Northeast when it was down like a couple years ago, and I just shot my hand. Oh really? Yes.
Stupid.
It burned.
That's why she moved fast. Between them and LaQuanda, boy, she be moving faster than them.
Hey, by the way, is it not
What's happening? Yeah.
Yeah, he didn't even help unload it before he got his
He just got his cold like he did last time.
Hey guys, how you doing?
What is up?
Good. There we go.
Right? We're in the wrong spot.
That happens all the
Oh
time.
my God.
You're my third person just today.
Yeah. He turned with the quickness. What's happening, Mr. Man?
Hey, he's being lazy and didn't want to make it.
Oh, you got
Hey, ain't no worries. Oh shoot. Got him.
Oh, you got me.
Hooks her with a dead fish.
You hooked me with a dead fish.
Fish heads, roly poly fish
I was
heads.
like, oh no, that's still on. That's hilarious.
Well, that might be the first. Thank you. That might be the first and the best catch of the day.
Right?
Yeah.
That is the best catch of the day. That's right.
You go in the water like that. I am.
To get in the water. Back the boat,
Is it the same place I knew that?
but I can't touch the bottom. And I had like an entire anxiety attack.
You know what some of the problem is, and I found out because I've grown up on the water, but when you hit that cold water, it makes you feel like you can't breathe,
Yeah.
and then that'll
it
pick up
hurts.
anxiety quick.
Yeah.
Yep.
I think that's what it was because it made us
Yeah, I remember this. We went.
And it hits.
Nice ones back there. He's good checking before we get moving.
This is what we went for.
What do you have?
We was jet skiing.
Oh, you're sitting on it.
But when she was up in Jacksonville, it's all women. So you know how women are. They just, because they stick their butts in your face when they're getting in. That's that girl too. Well, last night they all went out for, and this boy was walking by, and she went, and she goes, Mom, she called me, freaking out.
There's a wastewater plant over there, but when you go through, it's the Coast Guard. And as a kid, we used to every so often go over here and go in the pool. But we never see it from this backside, which is pretty cool. have your hair out for it to blow everywhere this time. Flashbacks.
All right.
So here's the one that he was saying was good for fishing.
Get it in. Now's the time, y'all.
Oh, you're shallow enough that if you see, you can see the fish.
You said we can step out here?
Yeah, if you want, we can anchor out. Just step out.
Solo say, bump it, I'm out of here. Side of cocaine.
That's all I can. Man, where your car keys at?
Y'all got them.
I don't have it. Where Daddy's car keys at, say?
That's the stadium.
It's got both of them.
Got both car keys.
Is that one of y'all?
Competition.
All right.
Who's gonna catch the first fish?
Well, great, is this better?
He's got to come on the boat,
Is this better than when you went with the other boys?
and we gotta have it documented, or it doesn't exist.
And this is all sandwich stuff.
Hey, get that number away from me, bro.
Yeah, we got us one. All right, so Solo's the first winner. I'm holding it, but
Hey.
Instant count. Instant count.
Cause I thought he need to win it something.
What is that?
That's a big sea troll.
Yeah, that's a big central.
Wait.
What you do?
You got a towel to grab it off with?
So I don't want to get silky.
Oh yeah.
And we have to.
Swallow your hood.
Then I
look, that bird over there hating.
He has a lure on.
No, he's underwater
I have
now.
a lure, so. We got teeth.
Bring your needle nose pliers.
Oh yeah, he does.
No, I'm good. I got it.
Bring them though.
He's like a newborn baby.
Yeah, until it bites you. Be a newborn dog.
Fish ain't never been slapped before.
All right, y'all want to keep him?
Keep the fish.
I don't know.
You can keep trout.
Yeah, let's keep it.
Where'd you plan
Oh,
for?
where's the cooler? Is it 18? This is definitely 18.
Sticking in with all the drinks.
No, I'm saying. This is
He
definitely
said
Measure.
8 feet.
8 feet.
Oh,
He was 18.
that's cool.
That's
There, yeah.
Oh, I did all the girl stuff.
He's legal.
Okay, they
You
have
want
a
to keep him?
Uh oh.
Watch out, let me get there.
He's like,
Another one's
I can't see you. Oh no, bro. Right, Isaiah done jumped all in the way.
If people are running, are you not going to have a
All right, so there we go.
Wait, it's trout season, right? Yeah, we gotta make sure it's trout.
So it has to be over 18 in order
My
to
hands are all
keep it.
fishy.
Well,
Okay.
in the water.
Ask Siri.
Where's Siri at?
Mom, ask your phone.
I don't need to ask because I, with my good eyes,
Hey, dude, you really trying to get us cased up back here, huh? When they ain't gonna push you off this boat, you keep trying to whip that thing all hard and stuff.
me with my good eyes, I tell you.
Rodney, you almost caught it for like the third time.
did.
I know what I do. I'll get out the way then.
Wanted to be in our
Mm-hmm.
All day.
Hey, this is awesome.
Oh, the competition is on now. We got past the first one. Now we gotta see who can get the most.
Yeah, and Luke, don't be too close to that edge because if he slips that edge, you're gonna be happy.
like it. I'm like that.
Get a marker and mark him so y'all can't recycle fish.
Yes. Yes, but don't be too close. You're gonna end up
Actually, get a release video. I love trout.
No, how big is that?
This isn't 19. This isn't 18.
I watched it.
That's 15.
Oh, yeah.
He's still a teenager. You're not eligible.
Yeah.
You got one tooth.
Except for I think it's gonna be, hold on, Luke, hold on.
He'll be all right. He'll get a Band-Aid later.
No, he's gonna be good lunch for some shark.
Yeah, he's good.
Saltwater Hills fish.
Okay, Luke, what am I supposed to do? Just video it? You got it? I can't see it. No.
Mm-hmm.
Is he dead? Well then,
Next on
cut him up.
ESPN Outdoors.
You can't cut him up.
No, it's illegal. He's too little.
Oh, he's dead.
Oh, you might have to.
See?
It's better to leave them out there than FWC run up on us.
That is true.
I
With
didn't
an
know.
undersized trout.
Nah, because if you see it,
Maybe he's playing possum.
It's a problem too.
Yeah, you know what? Exactly.
He died quickly like they do in the movies.
I don't know why he died like that though. He had a good hook on him.
Wow.
Get off. All right. Luke is on it right now.
For spending $90.
Okay. That's my complaint.
See why? See why I'm spending it?
No, I don't.
That's nice.
Okay, Luke, hold on. We got that. Okay, one more video. Okay, baby. Let me see. You want to pose? You want to flex?
He needs to calm down for a second.
Oh yeah, gosh, he's big enough.
Close his mouth.
Where'd the bait at?
It's 16.
No, you gotta get.
Yep. You can only drive with a permit.
I tried to put my foot there.
Your foot go in or something? Oh.
You see how
After you.
I was like, I was
Just
always
500 per fish.
okay, are you eating it or what? What you look? Well, you didn't
We're in
give
the
us
wrong
any
angle
there.
here.
Yeah, they swim up right in that grass.
He swam
Oh,
on-
you had bait too?
Yeah, we got.
You got one up there?
Oh, Rodney looked like he had something, but he must have had some seaweed.
All I'm saying is,
That's what I thought. I thought they only had two.
There we go.
3 casts.
It says spotted sea trout season is June 1st.
In Florida, I'm pretty sure it is.
Uh-oh, Isaiah caught him some seaweed.
I've been fishing it alone.
Oh yeah. Yeah, that's for freshwater trout.
Fish one, Isaiah nothing.
Oh, that's easy. One of them.
Is it a jellyfish?
Might get another one?
It's just some stuff.
Or did something just hit the boat?
Seaweed.
Love that.
They changed it.
He keep ducking underwater.
Dad, you're right. They changed it
I
last
think he's
year.
hiding from us.
They changed snook and redfish and spotted sea trout. So that one's fun. That one's fun.
Yes, it was.
We usually just get like chocolate chip or the ones that have like 3 different kinds.
Oh, yeah.
But I've had a few recent weird reactions to nuts, so I don't know.
I need them.
That thing just wanted to
All right.
That thing just wanted it, honestly.
It was. It jumped on your butt.
Both be out in the spot.
All right, Mr. Popcorn.
done,
There might be a spoon.
When he's done,
Yeah, it might be.
When you behave.
I was gonna say.
When you behave,
There
I'll
you
let you
go. You got it. Look at you.
Hold his head some more. Around his gills.
Go in the gills, but don't go too
don't
deep so you
squeeze
don't
them.
kill it like I did with the second.
Yep. Keep him or throw him
Yeah,
back.
hold on. Let's weigh him.
Yeah.
Do weigh it.
I mean, no,
They got them hands.
Wait, well, hold on. Might as well.
You
See
don't
his
want
weight
it?
anyway.
I don't eat. You
Well,
say
we
we
can
can
do-
up.
A little later,
See if you
he's
can
probably
fit it.
13 inches. But if he's 15, you keep him. Yeah, he's 13.
Yeah, toss him back. Yeah, he's good. Hey, so don't
Give him some
throw
air
him like Get mine to the can. Okay.
All right. Well,
Yeah,
I guess it's still on, huh?
pull it.
So when I set the hook, I just.
All right. So what is Luke in the lead?
Yeah, I'm in the lid.
No, you're not.
Ain't Isaiah? You can't let them punk you like that.
I haven't caught a fish since
Since Solo's birthday party last year for half hunters. That was a deep sea 8 fishing thing, and I caught 0 fish. He caught 2.
Coach, you ready?
I haven't caught a fish.
Yeah.
One of those, I didn't nibbling at it.
Yeah.
Uh-huh. Look,
Why?
that bird's caught more fish than Isaiah. right.
Cast it right over the bird. It's a good idea. Honestly. There might be a school right over there.
Catch a bird.
Yes.
I'd love to catch a bird.
No. There's no wings.
Now, because you told me something, you might just catch something other than seaweed.
Accidentally hit
Yeah, he might catch a rock.
accidentally hit a duck and had
Reese, you gonna catch a rock?
He actually has.
Go on and get it.
he gonna chew the real thing.
It's recording.
Okay, he's
Is it lit?
Up. It fell off. There
Is it nice?
We got a net too if y'all want to if bringing one in. We want to scoop it up with this.
I was just playing with that net over there too.
Yeah, we need to start net. We need to start netting them.
Something good.
not very heavy and still fight.
Dad. Dad, I believe I'm gonna catch a 40-inch snook.
Catch you a 40-inch flat drum. There you go.
A 40-inch red.
Oh.
Fun.
Hey,
I can cook fish.
I'm gonna start recording.
Got it off. All right. Hey, that was fast. I seen it. Come on, it's right here. What is that? Go in that way.
Oh shoot.
It's a school of them. It's a school of them.
Where?
Over there where he just catches.
Oh, you didn't get up?
It's a little one.
Is he still flapping? Oh yeah, he's over here.
Solo.
Well, you know what this is, look?
All right, what you have to say?
Just the best of the best.
All right.
Presidential, boy.
Yeah, he does. Yeah. Yeah. Just wondering how fresh is the dead fish.
You don't want to go around the bend?
Yeah, go around the bend. Go around the bend.
There's nobody behind us, right?
Plus structure.
Oh, look at that bird in the tree.
You want to walk the island? Look good.
That's the bird that Treese was doing when they was going sawgrass.
I know, they're on the front of the boat.
Cub
too.
Scouts.
We're all going.
Oh, these birds like, you're intruding on our land.
I know, the birds look like, what y'all doing? When they start flying at us, we're backing
Where
out.
y'all
of here.
going?
Hope y'all are on the boat.
Anybody going or not?
No, they're not.
Ha!
Oh, come on. Y'all afraid of
What
birds?
you think?
Are we fishing off of this or no?
Yeah.
Somebody had me off.
Somebody said they were going to get off the boat.
Yeah, me and Reese are.
Mm-hmm.
Me too.
How deep is it? He said ain't no scary.
It's like ankle deep.
Look, they over there feeding each other.
Get smoked. Yeah, it's cold.
Use your fishing rod to tell you how deep it is.
Just look in the water, dude.
Did you go in the water?
Deep enough.
Come on, bro. Not even that.
What is that right there?
Somebody phone on the floor.
Okay, we got Luke bail, buddy.
I know.
Get off.
Is it cold?
Has me float. Is it seaweed or is it rocks?
I mean, if we didn't eat it, who you would eat?
That's my fish moving right here. Where y'all going?
Break off.
This one? I could have made
Boy, stop sounding like a little B.I.B.I. You about to go into the bushes. Oh! You almost bust your
Three. Bert, we got
He's currently pulling the boat.
Lou looking at y'all like, why y'all being such suckers?
Bro, chill out.
Ain't going.
Y'all said ankle deep, bro. What's going on?
What?
Bye.
Come again.
This how parents get rid of children.
Yep.
It's what my mama did to that dog that we had a long time ago. We dropped him at Dale Holmes Park and left him. Just like this. Tip, I think. No, Tip died. It was the other one. He's stuck in a tree. All we did was just come back around. He doesn't have his lure.
Right, he doesn't have a lure.
So Boris' lure fell off. Isaiah stuck in a tree.
Making noises.
And all the birds are like, nah. This one.
Big old fish over here. Y'all heard it?
Yeah, he is.
Well, that was. Oh, and he moving toward. There's a fish coming toward y'all.
Hey.
There's a big old fish.
Oh.
They're attacking.
There's a whole school right there.
Hey, y'all need to come where this bird is. There's a fisher over here.
Fish, Luke.
No, something's chasing those fish.
Yeah, a bird. Or another fish.
They're fine.
Ain't nothing gonna eat them boys.
No, whatever's chasing that fish is under us right now.
I can't identify where this place is, though.
They are so funny. I know. I don't know what
This isn't Coquina Key, though.
No, this is on mullet. It's
No,
a
this
school
not
of mullet. They
Coquina
ain't
Key.
gonna-
This is
Oh, he got
This ain't where Taylor is.
on the south side of St. Pete. I don't know. Where are we? Tierra Verde, maybe?
No, we ain't on that side. That's way on the other side.
We're like down by the like these streets, right?
I can't figure out what these are.
It's gotta be Coquina Key, but
These are new then.
I can't.
Pretty though.
Oh wait, you want low shirt?
Hey, there's your fish right here. All minnows.
You can scratch my hand. Hold this right. I'm finna walk on the island.
Being blown around now.
No, there's a dead bird.
Wants to be on the boat.
If y'all getting on, get on. If you're not, nobody called us.
Something keep growling.
That's a dead bird.
That's a dead bird.
Before we laughing.
It's a big
Did you
pelican.
just say get that remote? Really?
It's a dead pelican.
Where y'all see a dead pelican?
Oh, chill.
Hey, Isaiah, get away from the dead pelican, my dude.
You finna get left.
Hey, bro, grab my pole.
You finna actually get too deep.
It's too deep for you? I can't.
No, he just don't want to eat his pants with.
Come back.
You cut it where?
Right here was like a small cut.
You told Coach E that y'all wasn't coming today? Okay. You cut it when you was doing what?
I got in the water because Solo got his thing stuck on the phone.
Just now?
No.
You gotta keep it clean.
Yeah, that's why I did it.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
No, we'll just
Well, I think they got something over there.
is? I don't. You know what? Because I don't want to hook it. I don't want to hook it and make it run though. That's what I'm saying.
You caught a lure.
So look, it gets to a point, bro. You flew all the way over here.
See, that's funny. They're all working so hard, but I don't see
Right.
any fish coming in at all. It's a lot of aggressive reeling.
Oh, your spool was all jacked up.
Yeah, I know that's about to fix for me.
Why are we going away from the mangrove, Dad? No, you need to be up in the mangrove.
54th Avenue.
Dad, can you go back over there? Yeah. That's where the good fishing is. You don't with the paddle cans. You don't want to be deep.
It was like you caught the wrong thing here.
What you mean, bro? You catch all the way over here and they hit me and my lawn.
So y'all can't catch no fish, so y'all trying to catch each other, huh?
I think that was a good. Alright, Rodney.
But somebody put the game.
Mm-hmm.
Oh yeah, look at that cast.
Let's see if any fish jump on it, since they were jumping just now. They're on their workout, but I guess they're not hungry. Or they're fairly smart.
Yeah, y'all look like you're actually doing something out there.
Like around 6, 7.
6 something.
Listen, I came around that corner. Rodney mad because I laughed
We're
there.
just
Remember
the
we came
beginning.
around
We
that
got
corner?
all summer long.
The first time, no, the second time,
You remember
I
we
have
came
been
around,
over solo.
around the corner and Rodney was laid out in the middle of the road.
My leg was broken.
No, it wasn't your they talking about call the paramedics and your back was broken and all this stuff.
What? Who said that?
All the neighbors are outside just looking at my kid, right?
Because you never came with us.
Did you say just get out your fine?
Man, I said, boy, get up. And he popped right up, hopped on the bicycle and disappeared. Boy, get going
Was
somewhere.
like, oh, you need an ambulance. Oh, you did. I was like, we need an ambulance. Well, what happened? And I'm trying to find out what happened.
They carried me to the
He
car.
fell. No, you got up when Daddy told you get up.
I did not get up.
I did.
You sure did.
I got
Thing
in
is,
the
you
car.
did it twice.
I got in the car.
That happened twice.
Get up. We didn't have the car.
Y'all had the black car. Y'all rode around. Y'all got
I was on a bicycle. No, I think I ran down there.
I'd like to know which one's the real story.
She got the car.
Right. Luckily for you,
No, we ran.
I didn't have a phone out then, because you would have
Or he would
been
have to
toast.
watch you up the side of the
We
head.
could have pulled this up.
Right?
I would have been right. Because I didn't get
You'd have been
up
right on the ground saying, get yourself right up.
And I didn't. Because I was like, I can't move. And then I got in the car.
That jump was so funny.
A micro tarpon is East Lake.
It was funny when it wasn't.
Maybe countryside.
It was funny when it wasn't.
Yeah, y'all ain't catch that.
Schools anymore. Yeah, he like he's stuck in the tree.
I'm gonna break this branch.
Do it.
There we go.
All right, we're free again.
He was fishing with squirrels.
I was. How do you know? Alright, we're good, Dad. You can back up, baby.
You done fishing with squirrels?
Oh, you broke my foot. Wait, no, all my line's wrapped up. Go back.
When you solve one, but it's really more problems.
Dad, no, you gotta. You can't go that much.
You gotta pay attention, look.
Solo, you about to catch your
Fucking 6'7".
I hope you had it on camera.
Somebody catch a fish and Isaiah immediately throws him on the
Go forward a little bit, Joe.
So as soon as he got one loose, it wrapped around the branch in 2 other spaces, and then you started pulling off.
Because the way he ran us into the tree.
All right, who's afraid of the tree?
I'm breaking the tree.
Hey, watch your face.
Go.
I'm breaking the tree.
Like,
Mm-hmm.
like the grandpa.
Almost. Dad, not yet. I said almost. Yeah, we breaking this whole branch.
Oh, no, over there, look at it, look at it.
Alright.
Tournament is still on top of the water.
I think we're yet.
Alright, Dad, stop going forward.
I'm not going forward. I'm in neutral. You're pulling us.
Reverse. I'm not touching it.
Reverse.
Oh, it's almost full of fish. It's almost full of fish. Bro, no, what are you doing? Bro, Isaiah.
That's what it is, Mom.
Bro, Isaiah.
What did he do?
You're casting all over us.
That's why we got stuck in the pool. Why you cast over your head?
It's a whole school of fish.
Look at that, look at that, look at that crunch.
What is that out there, bro?
Them fish messing with y'all. Oh, he's got something here. Or maybe he's got someone.
Another rock. Turn around, Dad. What is that?
I found a whole tree.
Hey, just keep casting.
Look, right here, fish right there.
Yeah, right there.
There's snapper.
Oh, who was that with that high pitched voice like that?
Isaiah.
Right there.
Little baby snapper right there.
Luke, you're probably going to have to get out.
I'm right there.
Yeah, I don't know that I can.
Yeah, we're on the
There
ground.
we go. On stuck, baby. It was a 500-pound carpet.
Yeah, the ground right here too. All right, who's gonna catch the countryside first?
Come on, Solo.
You come on, Isaiah.
I love about Joe and I are both very equally yoked in that way. Like we really both. He doesn't have to ask me. I don't have to ask him. If we feel like I put on it, which do that's what's the worst case. Like I know you get everything.
That tide is running out. It's running out fast.
Well, Reed can bring
I was pushing against the boat, huh?
He can take him down fishing on the golf cart.
Now see, this is a nice house here with windows, but nothing's in it.
You'll like that.
Looks like a workout
Really good
facility.
attitude until we start playing. We're like, wait a
You
second,
see straight
sir.
through that house.
You know?
But something of this magnitude in the middle of a residential area.
Yeah, there was. It was like beautiful. Yep. I agree.
Tried skipping it, but
I agree. I mean,
really good skipping.
Look at a parking garage for a parking spot.
oh my gosh, I forgot you were behind. There it is. That dang shark came on. Like, no, get the tree in the back. Stop.
Who line stuck in a tree?
Come on. Work it out, buddy. Yank it, yank it. Everybody close their eyes.
Luke, can you
Right.
help him, buddy?
Not really. There's not much you can do.
It's onto a moss.
You can't stay in the middle of the thing.
Oh, there we go.
Reel it in. Stop trying to catch trees. They don't feed you.
Unless they're bearing fruit.
These people's stuff. You see them out there fishing. Don't throw your line over their line.
The lady trying to catch us some fish.
She's trying to catch a rock right now.
Yeah, because she ain't caught nothing.
No, she's stuck on a rock. It's very rocky, so don't let it go down.
You alright, Isaiah, or are you on the phone? Uh-huh.
Looking like it's long.
Leave that girl alone. You try to hit the bird.
Leave the bird alone.
Mm-hmm. Alright. Yeah. That was a bird trying to catch a tree fish.
What place is this?
Coquina Key.
That's what I thought. He started getting tapped on the leaves. What did I say? Sunrise and what?
Sunrise and 45th. The bottom side of Coquina Key.
Joe, can you go keep going that way, or do you have to come back through it?
No, it'll keep going around.
Okay, good. So we don't have to do it twice.
Yeah, the tide's on the way out.
London Bridge is falling down, falling down. Yeah, you want to jump and touch it, but you scared that if you jump up, you're gonna fall in the water. See, if you on the inside, you'll be fine. Look, 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 look.
Oh, I just had it. Oh my gosh, I just had it.
Really?
And it came on.
Well, you ain't having it.
Oh my gosh.
I'm done.
Oh, it was on the.
I was on the bridge.
Yeah, you were.
I just had something.
Hey, y'all caught something yet? See, she just said they was in the spot. Look, look, look. Now you gonna try to catch something.
We got one sad fish in here. We got catfish.
18-inch trout.
No, you just dropped it.
Did you roll in?
No, he just dropped his lure.
Okay.
Boy, you always with some stuff, boy.
Must not know how to tie it on.
No, he was tying it and he lost it.
I hate
Sucker.
It's a nice day.
You know he always got to have them sound effects with it. His lure fell in.
Yeah, and it's just so glad and you know, see it like this,
Will we actually see some manatees?
like electrical. I have it there, like the guy might say,
Since we're aiming for bridges and docks, or there's a lady, you want to try to hit her? Goodness.
Yeah, that's
Yeah.
what I said.
It's a beautiful day. Hey, why don't you use that
Trees down.
that you gave me? Yeah, just like this. Use that one.
And you can touch it now? Can you jump and touch it? Touch it, Rodney, touch it.
Oh, you got something.
You got coral. Looks like you stuck, homie.
You got it. You got it off.
Well, what are you pulling?
You in his hands, thanking the Lord he don't have nothing on there, pulling back on it. Get your line up by the motor, son. Pay attention.
Oh, there was a fish that just jumped right there.
Where?
Right over here. Nope. To your right. More like 2 o'clock.
Oh, 2 o'clock.
Yeah. We had some hurricane damage to their ground. They can't go down there.
Jesus.
Hey. All right.
What happened?
None.
It's a stonefish.
Like a coconut. Oh, it's got some roots to it.
Get a hold of a picture with it.
Oh, that is a little different though.
It's a reef. Coral reef.
Yeah, for real.
You want to throw it away?
It looks like it could be man-made.
Throw it.
Throw it.
I won't be casting over there.
Do y'all remember being in this area 4 years ago?
No, here. If I knew we were all like 10 years old.
Stop trying to live in our memories, bro. You weren't here.
not there. Why were we here 4 years ago?
Fish.
Fish. We was fishing 4 years ago at night.
It wasn't at night. Look at you. Yes, it was, but it wasn't over
We
here.
weren't fishing, but we saw fish. All kinds of fish. Unexplainable fish. And it was stank too.
Oh, red tide.
It was, the whole city was funky, but everywhere was different. So even over here, we had different type of fish we'd never seen before. It was like some long eel and snake fish and other stuff. It was all over here.
Did your other bait just fall off?
Hey, that boat said, bump that. Hurricane been gone, but I'm staying turned over.
This is where Granddaddy took us, Isaiah. Isaiah, you remember the boat right there? You're not that.
That boat might have sunk.
I bet you it's on.
You can't park there.
Can't expect these work.
You can't park there. They can't park there. Reese, they can't park there. Look. They can't park there. Yeah, but what's the stop water?
There you go. Fish is waiting for you.
Excuse me. Rodney! What is this? What is this, bro? What is this?
Yo no hablo inglés.
What did you do?
Yo hablo español.
Well, speak English. What did you do to the
About
boat,
with it,
bro?
he speaks French now.
¿Por qué?
Oh, look. Stingray. Dude.
Is it really one here?
Yeah, it was a stingray popped up.
Did you break it?
Dang, man.
It popped up a piece of wood. You really caught a piece of stick, bro?
Dang.
Broke the rod. Weird, bro. What?
All right, well, I guess the Ray said, okay, you see me, now you don't.
This your second time, buddy. Let the fish take my feet.
Oh, the fish is jumping over there.
Ouch.
They can't take my toes.
You can hear the fish jump. You can see the fish jump. And that's what they're doing. They're not eating.
They're jumping.
Mm-hmm.
Hey, someone's line's getting messed with right there.
Alright, that's mine. Come down.
Hey, give it a minute.
It's probably been a
Gotta
minute
let it
already.
swallow it.
Why'd you go? You just should have snuck back here.
Told you to give it a minute so it would swallow it.
I think really it.
He tightened
Oh,
it. Yeah,
he's
you got
on.
that. Oh my gosh, bro. Did you lose it? Yo, just give up. Never fish again.
Oh, man.
Hey, that drum on the way.
Tarpon on the way. Dad,
Wow.
Dad, tarpon on the trout spoon.
Why are we back here with Bird? Bird is dangerous.
He is over there.
He's toying with you, bro.
He like, yeah. Oh, he getting it too. He getting it too.
Don't we got bread?
He's doing a victory lap
Yeah,
on
we
you.
got bread.
Roddy, take a piece of the bread off.
Jumping. He over there now.
Use his food to catch the fish. Use his food as bait.
Huh. No.
Sure.
If anybody rolls out,
All right, time to kick it back. Hey, everybody's on chill status now. Yeah, I see it.
What the hell?
Now that's cool.
I know, we need to get a picture of the dash. I hope we have that. Woo! I hope that happens again. Oh, that was so awesome. Wasn't that awesome?
Right. Cold now, cold and ashy. Woo! All y'all got some fun dip sticks. Oh yeah, they starting big time. And it's wood. Oh, there's the pier.
how it came about.
What is that, stealth boat?
All the newer yachts have that funny flat front.
Oh, next to him.
Them dry, ashy legs.
Sorry. Bro, you scratched my finger. You scratched my finger. Okay.
Y'all lucky Judah not here. All right, chill out. Then you have Hey, that was y'all when y'all were younger. Look, they go Roddy with the Scully. They go Judah trying to catch something.
It's definitely not a stick.
Reel it in, boy.
It's definitely not the rock.
Oh, he got one.
Catfish.
Killing Isaiah.
Oh, right there.
All right, so who won?
Me. I got two. I got two too.
Me one.
But Luke got like 4, didn't he?
Yeah, I caught 3.
Luke caught me though before we
Okay,
left.
but Luke caught
What?
I got her hair.
Just trying to make a joke. You did it for real?
Look at the good. That fish is mine. Look at the
Yeah, he did. All in her head, too.
If your fish is name,
I got caught by a whole dead fish. Yeah, that counts for 2 fish.
I guess he's the winner then.
if your fish isn't in the cooler, it doesn't count.
I got the pictures of the fish I caught.
He is gonna hurt himself hopping over that thing one day.
Are you looking for the fish dude? Okay.
Not this side. Not this side. Not this side.
All right, and we've come to our conclusion.
I won.
Thank you, and come again. Oh, now y'all saw the boys try to do it, so y'all want to try to get something now, huh?
I was doing this before I left. I might mess around and throw a glide bait.
Call my mom.
Yeah.